This is a quiz which I've recorded in Socrative.com. I am logged in as a student, and the quiz is called Count and Non-Count Nouns. The quiz is in the format of multiple choice. This particular question allows for the student to choose more than one possible correct answer. So the question asks, give an example or examples of count nouns. If I select A and C and submit my answer, it says up here correct. It gives the correct answer, and then it explains why that answer is correct. This next question asks a student to explain why the following phrase is an example of a count noun phrase. Notice that I'm asking the student to use a different way of thinking, a different strategy. And the sentence is, she bought 12 carrots. If I select my answer, I submit. It says correct up here. It gives the correct answer, and then it explains why that answer is correct. Coming now to a different part of the quiz, this particular question says, what is a non-count noun? If I select an answer, hit submit. Again, it says correct up here, gives the correct answer, an item that you cannot count, and it explains why that answer is correct. Coming now to a different question in the quiz. The question asks, imagine you had to serve food for dinner and the menu items were meat and strawberries. What would be the right way to say it? Notice that I'm asking the student to use a different thinking strategy. In this question, it asks a student to imagine. In other words, the student is having to use higher order thinking skills to think independently and to think creatively. I select my answer, I submit my answer, and over here it says whether the answer is correct or not. It gives the correct answer, and it explains why the answer is correct.